Hello, Audric. Um, this is where you can go to find your test. You are not going to go to study guides to retake your test. What you'll do is you'll go to study guides to find your study guides for Unit 4, 5, and 6. So Unit 4 review, I have in Word and PDF. Then there's Unit 5 review, and then Unit 6. Okay, so you can download those there. To take the test again, what you can do is you can go to content. I guess you have to go back to class home just to get to content. But what you do is you go over here, because these are your different units. So you want to be taking 1, 2, or 3, because that's from first semester. You'll be wanting to take 4, 5, and 6. Here's Unit 4. You click on it. And then you'll scroll down all the way. You can go right to the left where it says Review and Wrap Up. You can also click there. And that is where you can find your test. So you see where it says Unit Assessment. You would click on that to take your quiz. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing for Unit 5 and for Unit 6 if that's what you need. If you need to take those. So I'm just going to scroll down to the left again. I'm going to click on Unit 5. I'm going to go to Review and Wrap Up. And again, you would click on that Unit Assessment. I'm not clicking on it because it would look different for me than it would for you. And then if you had to do Unit 6, you'd click on 6, Colorful Traditions. And again, scroll down to here and click there. Okie doke. If you still have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. Hopefully this will help you find where to go to your unit test now. All right.